Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by turning your project folder into a Git repository so you can track changes. First, run git init and create a README, and git ignore to avoid committing build artifacts. Then set your identity with git config user. Name and git config user. Email so commits attribute correctly. Once done, stage your work with git add. And use git status to verify staged files. This ensures you're tracking only what you intend before making the first commit. You make a clear first snapshot by committing git commit m initial commit. After that, establish a branch strategy. Create or switch to main with git switch cmain so your local branch matches GitHub conventions. Next, add the remote repository URL using git remote add origin repo URL. This connects your local history to GitHub. Make sure the URL uses the protocol you'll authenticate with, SSH keys or HTTPS. You finalize by pushing your branch to GitHub with git push uorigin main, which sets the upstream so future git push is simple. Once pushed, open the repository page on GitHub and confirm your README and commits appear. This verifies remote synchronization. If you plan collaboration, create a branch and open a pull request. If things go wrong, the most common fix is authentication. Use a personal access token for HTTPS or load your SSH key into SSH agent and try again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.